continuation of Rasayanika 2021. We have started from yesterday. Today we have created competitions. Students have shown tremendous effort, courage to prepare video, various types of video, various new thoughts are there. Students have put a lot of effort. So the main topics, we can say the topics for the videos are there. Prevention from COVID-19. Some are talking about the prevention of COVID-19. Some are talking about the chemistry behind the preventions of the COVID-19. So various thoughts people, students are taking, and then they are making their video. Very innovative kind of videos are there. We will be, I was surprised that students put that kind of effort. So they gave much time, much effort, much creation to search the content and develop the video. And there are videos for the chemistry in daily life. Various videos are there, and topic is there also for the green chemistry. So students have made a very nice video for the green chemistry, how green chemistry principles are used in the chemistry experiments. On all the detail is discussed there. So, and the last point is of the videos is solar light harvesting, how solar light harvesting can be efficiently used to prevent the environment, prevent the money, prevent the our social life, our life also. So students have put lot of effort to make videos. Whenever they are recording video, if the video is only for 1 minute or 2 minutes, they are directly contacting me, sir, it is okay, or whether this content is okay. So me also, I'm giving little bit what ideas I have. So like this, we have prepared this session with the around the 10 or more than 10 videos will be there. So we will start with today with this chem cartoon video competitions. So yes, ma'am. We have various videos. So today, the first one is Anshu Alawat. She's from physical science second semester. So she and hers has prepared a video for the green chemistry. I think it is a nice one video. So that video I'll just play. Before playing the video, I'll ask to Anshu Alawat to unmute herself and open camera to introduce herself and tell about the video, what is the points in video they are discussing, and what is the message they want to give by this video. So Anshu Alawat. Anshu, you unmute yourself and on your camera also. Anshul Alawat.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So let's start?
Sure. Yes, yes.
Okay. So good afternoon, respected teachers and my friends. So today me and Anshu Alawat and Harsh Verma has prepared a video on green chemistry. So I would like to introduce you about green chemistry. So as the name suggests, in green chemistry, green term is related to environment. That is, how can we use the things in the present environment naturally without destroying anything. Eco-friendly term that we say. Using things, reducing global warming, using less chemicals. In today's world, the demand is increasing, population is increasing, and as the population is increasing, resources are being utilized very quickly. And so chemicals are also being used, and due to chemicals use, global warming is increasing and pollution is increasing. So therefore, we need to learn about green chemistry. What is the main use of green chemistry? In green chemistry, we use various reactants, various products which are eco-friendly. We try to minimize the use of chemical products. For example, if I talk about, suppose we are preparing something, we have to prepare a product in industry. So how can we use maximum reactants? How can we use reactants in such a way that maximum reactants are utilized to give a very useful product and less gases are released in the environment? So this is the main theme or main principle we talk about green chemistry, how to play safely, how the environment is not destroyed, and how even we also stay safe by using less chemicals. So now I would request sir to please play the video, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Anshu. I'm just playing your video. Ma'am, is it audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay.
Hi, I am Professor Proton. In this video, we're going to learn about green chemistry. So, let's do an experiment now.
The thing you saw Professor doing was not green chemistry. He was just having some fun. So let's learn about green chemistry. Hey, I am back. Now let's start. Paul Anastas and John C. Warner co-authored the groundbreaking book, Green Chemistry, Theory and Practice in 1998. Basically, green chemistry is defined as environmentally benign chemical synthesis. Any synthesis, whether performed in teaching laboratories or industries, should create none or minimum byproducts which pollute
This
the
is
atmosphere. According to the work carried out by Paul Anastas, the following 12 basic principles of green chemistry have been formulated. Number 1. Prevention of waste byproducts. Number 2. Maximum incorporation of the reactants into the final product. Number 3. Prevention or minimization of hazardous products. Number 4. Designing of safer chemicals. Number 5. Energy requirement for any synthesis should be minimum. Number 6. Selecting the most appropriate solvent. Number 7. Selecting the appropriate starting materials. Number 8. Use of the protecting group should be avoided whenever possible. Number 9. Use of catalysts should be preferred wherever possible. Number 10. Products obtained should be biodegradable. Number 11. The manufacturing plant should be so designed as to eliminate the possibility of accidents during operations. And finally, number 12, strengthening of analytical techniques to control hazardous compounds. Yeah, we completed our topic thanks to me. We will meet again. Bye.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Anshu, to make this. Anshu and actually there are two students, Anshu and Harsh. They have made this video. So it's like a very pretty nice video. I've seen it. Shall we continue then to second student? Shall we continue to second student?
Yes,
Shall we continue then?
sure.
Okay. So
Don't
ne-
ask every time, yeah?
Okay, okay, ma'am. So next student is Mohan. Mohan, you just switch on your camera and unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mohan Mangalam Saraswat from BSc Chemistry Honors first year. My video is on prevention from COVID-19. As we all know, COVID-19 is increasing at a very high rate. So it is necessary to be prevented. We can prevent it by using masks and washing our hands with soap and sanitizer. And prevention is better than cure, as we all know. And prevention does not mean to make distance with those who are saving our life. So respect them, be safe, keep safe. Everything is not a race. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Mohan. I'm just playing your video.
As you can see, coronavirus is spreading at a very high rate. We should take some action. Yes. You are right. Make guidelines and stringent rules to make this stop. Yes, sir. I will make to get people aware about how serious this is. Hey. See, government has made guidelines and rules to prevent spreading of coronavirus.
And what exactly are these guidelines?
Wash your hands. Wash them often with soap for at least 20 seconds and sanitize everything you bring from market to disinfect.
Ma'am, you are saying something?
क्या
Fact.
वीडियो दिख रहा है?
It's not a big deal.
जी मैम दिख भी रहा है, सुनाई भी दे
आपको
रहा है
दिख
मैम।
रहा है वीडियो सबको?
जी मैम, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
Okay, Gaurav sir.
We will follow.
Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze with tissue or the inside of your elbow.
It should also be in habit. I always do that.
Wear mask. Make sure your mask fits well with the nose clip.
I can't. I will look an idiot in mask.
Why you will look an idiot? Everyone will wear mask. And it for our safety. You should remember this. Prevention is always better than cure.
Okay, you are right. I will wear mask.
Avoid human contact. Keep your distance when meet away from crowd.
But I have to go for kitty party.
No. You are not going anywhere. Cancel your party.
All right.
Let's go to the market to bring mask and sanitizer.
Yes, let's go. It's necessary to be safe.
Have you seen today's news?
Yes. Corona is spreading at very high rate and government has made guidelines and rules to prevent spreading of coronavirus.
This is important to be careful about rules. Follow all the rules and precautions. Wash vegetables and fruits in warm water before use.
Okay. I will do that to disinfect them.
Where are the kids?
They are playing outside with their friends.
Don't allow them to go outside and make them clear about social distancing.
Okay, I will. You are not going to the hospital tomorrow.
You know I am a doctor. It's my duty to cure people. It's necessary to help people in this pandemic.
And what about us? If we get coronavirus from you, if you get infected, what will we do?
Nothing going to happen to me. We use PPE kit and we take all the precautions.
But I heard a doctor get infected. He was also using PPE kit. You are not going to the hospital until we get rid of this coronavirus.
I have to. They need me. I become a doctor to save people. So, I am not going to step back.
Okay, do whatever you want. But you can't meet children until it overs.
All right.
Thank you, Mohan, to make such a nice video, such an informative video. And it is you are summarizing all the guidelines and making in a cartoonistic way or animated way. So it is very easy to understand. Actually, children also can enjoy this kind of video, or anyone would be happy to see this kind of guidelines in this format. So thank you, Mohan. So next one is Meenal and Anupam. They have prepared a video. So Meenal and Anupam, you switch on your mic and camera. Or those who want to introduce the video, you switch on your camera. I think Meenal will do it. So Meenal, you unmute yourself and switch on your camera. If
Hello,
camera,
am I audible?
yes, Meenal. If
Sir, there is problem in my camera. I have already told you.
okay, Meenal. Okay, you can introduce like this.
So hello everyone. Here we Meenal, Anupama and Kanika, student of BSc Physical Science with Chemistry. representing the animated video on the topic that is so common nowadays, COVID-19. Here in this video, we are presenting the scene, which is somewhat funny, that is only to make you people feel happy, because as everything is going on the virtual mode, so we just try to express everything one by one. As we started with TV channel, house scene is also there, and up to prevention of COVID-19. I hope you all will enjoy watching this, and it will be fruitful to you too. Our motive is only to show that conditions cannot be handled with fear, with anxiety. Confidence and happiness is required to overcome every obstacle. Everyone says mask pehno, but not everyone is doing it. So we should first start with ourselves, because situation is worse that we all know. How to handle patiently is what we have to think. Be happy, be peaceful, and everything will be gonna fine soon. So where there is hope, there is will. Do believe in science. Vaccines are there now. So everyone who is not believing in vaccine, try them to convince that it is quite good enough to fight against COVID. And that's all. So now, sir, I think sir will represent the video.
Yes, thank you, Minal.
Okay.
With I'm sharing your video.
खबरों के एक नए सिलसिले में हम आपके साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए साल 2020 में कोविड से होने वाली मौतें। जॉन हॉपकिंस यूनिवर्सिटी के आंकड़ों के अनुसार पता चला है कि पिछले वर्ष 7.45 करोड़ लोगों ने अपनी जानें गंवाई। दुनिया भर में लगभग 50 लाख से भी ज्यादा मौतें हुई। और सबसे सुनने की बात में तो हमें ये बात डालती है कि कोरोना नाम की बीमारी अपना जाने का नाम ही नहीं ले रही है। हमारे संवाददाताओं से हमें पता चला है कि हॉस्पिटल में भारी मारी के कारण कई मरीजों को इलाज ना मिलने के कारण उनकी मौत हो गई है। ये समस्या दिन ब दिन जटिल और बचकानी होती जा रही है। कभी कभी तो हम इन खबरों को सुनकर खुद दहल जाते हैं। ये सोचते हैं कि इतनी बुरी खबर हमने आप जान ली तो हम आपको इन बुरी खबरों के बारे में क्यों बताएं, पर हमें आप माफ कर दीजिएगा, हमारी इसमें कोई गलती नहीं है। ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ टीआरपी के लिए किया जा रहा है। क्या करें, क्या करूं, मर जाऊं? मेरी तो कोई फीलिंग ही नहीं है। तुम्हारी फीलिंग तुम्हारी। यार बोल क्यों रहा है? मैं बोल रही हूं ना, बोल रहा है बीच में। तो यूं ही खबरों का सिलसिला आगे बढ़ता है और आप लोगों को मुख्य खबरों के बता दें कि लास्ट ईयर ना लोग अपने घर वालों से मिल पाए, ना कोई कहीं घूम पाया, इसलिए बहुत से लोग बेरोजगार भी हो गए। कोई घर में बेरोजगार हो गया, कोई बाहर बेरोजगार हो गया, कोई ऊपर लग। यार कोई बोलने क्यों नहीं दे रहा है मेरे को? ये खबरों का सिलसिला यूं ही जारी रहेगा। अभी मेरा मूड खराब हो गया इसलिए मैं न्यूज़ चैनल बंद कर रही हूँ। मेरा मतलब है आगे की अपडेट आपको थोड़ी देर मूड सही होने के बाद मिलेंगी। अच्छा, थोड़े छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद मिलते हैं। बाय। अरे पापा, आप इतनी जल्दी आ गए ऑफिस से?
अरे कहाँ ऑफिस जाने को मिलता है, अब तो सब घर में ही है।
हाँ, आपकी हालत देखकर दिख ही रहा है, बस शर्ट ही पहने, नीचे का पहनना भूल गए हैं लगता है।
हमको जरूरत ही महसूस नहीं होती। ये बताओ क्या किया अब तक?
कुछ नहीं, बस न्यूज़ देख रहे थे।
अच्छा, जरा टीवी तो चलाओ, रामायण आ रहा होगा।
क्या आप छठी बार फिर से रामायण देखोगे?
क्यों, कोई दिक्कत?
नहीं नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी।
ओए, ये क्या चला दिया तूने? रामायण बोला, रामायण चला।
पापा, अब तो ऐसे कर रहे हो जैसे मैंने जानबूझ के चलाया। गलती से चल गया।
जल्दी चला, मेन एपिसोड आने वाला है आज स्टार प्लस पे, जल्दी चला।
हाँ हाँ भाई रुको। पुत्र हनुमान, तुम जाके अपने प्रभु श्री राम से कह देना कि अब हम यहाँ नहीं रह सकते, वो जल्दी ही हमें यहाँ से लेने आए। जैसी आपकी आज्ञा माते।
It would be a matter of fun, but the reality is disgusting. This is the one of the most dangerous disease ever, which shook not only the homes of the people but also the economy of the country. During the lockdown, an estimated 14 crore people lost employment. Mid-April, a total of 1.75 billion students globally had affected by the closing of schools and higher education. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment. How does it spread? The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplet generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or inhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on floors or surfaces. Prevention of COVID-19. Clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Wear a mask. If you have fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention.
Thank you, Meenal, to make it. It was funny, but later on there were facts also. So it was the Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, like when we were in the lockdown and we were at the home. So this was a similar situation. So you have explained or you have recorded the video in a in the general life, what we felt at the time of lockdown or at the time of right now what we are feeling. So yes, thank you, Meenal, to make this video. And the next one is Abhishek. Abhishek, you unmute yourself and switch on the camera. Abhishek, you switch on the camera.
Name of the student, Ajay sir. What's the name?
Abhishek Jha. He is writing unmute नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ.
Abhishek Jha. अच्छा, yeah sir, it's coming. आ गया sir.
Okay, Abhishek.
Hello sir. Sir, audio clear है sir?
बिल्कुल clear है.
Hello sir.
Yes, your audio is clear.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek from BSc Physical Science Chemistry. I am making the video on green chemistry topic antifollants. Before 1995, we can use substitution antifoulant. We use hazardous chemicals. These hazardous chemicals kill the marine organism. So here I am making the video on antifoulant, how in 1996 the scientists can make the green chemistry antifoulant. So sir,
Okay,
present my video. Thank you.
Okay, Abhishek, I'll just do that.
This video is based on green chemistry topic antifoulant. Before we start this topic, we can understand what is foulant. The fouling is caused by the particles and other marine organism on the bottom of the ships and boats. The growth of fouling is indicate effect on the boat and friction. The friction between the water and the boat increases. It reduces the speed of boat. This reduces in the speed of boat effect on the internal system of boat, higher fuel consumption and increase the expenses of the boat. It is very important to remove the fouling on the hull of the ship. Use antifoulant. The most popular green antifoulant is C9TM211. It is developed by Rome and Haas. It is non-toxic. It is not harmful the marine animals because its half-life is less than 24 hour. Principle to develop C9211. Principle 4 designing for safer products. Principle 10 design for degradation. Principle 12 design.
Thank you, Abhishek, to introduce the antifoulant. What is the green chemistry behind this or synthesis to make green antifouling chemicals. So it was short video, but you tried. I know you tried some other topic initially, but you changed later on. That's why it is short. But it is well tried. Next time we will see a very nice big video also. Okay, so next one is Aryan. So Aryan, you unmute yourself and on the camera. Aryan, you are here. Aryan is not. Aryan, you just message whether you are here or not. Otherwise, I will ask some next one.
Sir, student name is Arun.
Yes, Aryan.
Aryan. Okay.
I'm searching in the list, but seems that he is not here.
सर आर्यन नेम के तो है ही नहीं कोई स्टूडेंट.
Okay. We'll ask it. So next is Prachi. Prachi, you unmute yourself and introduce your video.
Good afternoon, sir, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Myself, Prachi Singh, and I am from BSc Physical Science with Chemistry, second year. Today, we all are connected through a virtual meet, and it's all because of COVID-19 that our all programs are on virtual mode. As COVID-19 is increasing day by day, and COVID-19 has a huge impact on our life. It adds masks and sanitizers in our lifestyle. So I choose impact of COVID-19 for this animation video, in which I focused on sanitizers. As a chemistry student, we know the chemistry of sanitizers, which has become a part of our life. So in this video, a boy named Raghu asked his teachers about the sanitizers, that why we use it many times and how it works, and what is the difference between soaps and sanitizers. In this video, we also learn about that which sanitizers is best for use. Now I am requesting to sir to play my video.
Okay, Prachi.
एक्सक्यूज मी जस्ट अ मिनट अजय.
Yes,
गौरव सर अभी किसी को भी एडमिट मत कीजिए. जितने भी ये लोग अभी एडमिट हो रहे हैं ये इनको रिमूव करो, मत करो एडमिट.
नहीं मैम मैं तो नहीं कर रहा
क्रिएटिंग
किसी को
प्रॉब्लम.
भी. नहीं मैम मैं एडमिट नहीं कर रहा किसी को भी, अपने आप ही.
हाँ प्लीज जो भी इनको अब जो भी ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं इनको एडमिट मत कीजिए. दे आर क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम.
मैं परमिशन लगा देता हूँ मैम, कोई एडमिट नहीं होगा अब.
हाँ कर दीजिए
जी.
थैंक यू.
Okay, so now I'm playing the video.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Raghu. Sit down. Today we learn about prevention from COVID-19. We have to wash hands at least 20 seconds and don't touch eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, why we use hand sanitizer many times in a day? What is the chemistry behind hand sanitizers?
Well, hand sanitizers are really special. Hand sanitizers are the mixture of a number of different molecules. But the most common active ingredients you will find that is actually the interacting with killing of the virus are ethanol and isopropanol. Hand sanitizers, these active ingredients that make up hand sanitizer are special because they are both hydrophilic and hydrophobic, that is, these molecules are amphipathic.
Sir, how do hand sanitizer work? How do they actually kill the virus?
Well, to put it simply, hand sanitizers disrupt the molecule interaction between the molecules that make up the virus. The virus is a really complicated mixture of both hydrophilic molecules and hydrophobic molecules that make up the virus. So, when you mix that virus with hand sanitizers, and sanitizers have both that hydrophilic part and the hydrophobic part, what you end up getting is...
Sir, that virus!
Well, you guessed it. That virus. Your virus end up being scrambled just like we scramble an egg, where the hydrophilic molecules that make up a virus are attracted to the hydrophilic part of the hand sanitizer molecules, while the hydrophobic part are attracted the hydrophobic part of a sanitizer molecules, and this renders our virus inactive or dead.
Sir, what is the difference between hand sanitizer and soap? We can use soap also in place of sanitizer, sir.
Well, this is really a good question. Actually, we can use soaps in place of sanitizers, but we cannot use soap everywhere. Actually, hand sanitizers are the small molecules which kill viruses, but don't remove it from your hands. While soaps are the large molecules and soap with water, and during that washing process, the water washes away after killing the virus same way. Okay, I think it is clear to you.
Yes, sir, this is clear to me. Sir, can you suggest some hand sanitizer to use or to buy?
Yes, I can. For hand sanitizers, you have to make sure that it has at least 60% of either ethanol or isopropanol. In order to be effective, you want to make sure you do is when you apply the hand sanitizers, you can feel that cooling effect on your hands for at least 10 seconds. Optimally, 20 seconds is the best. So, you can use or to buy that hand sanitizer.
Okay, sir. Thank you for this information. Well, it is useful for us. As a chemistry student, we should know about the chemistry of sanitizers.
Yes, this is useful for everyone. Now, your class is going to be over. It's a recess time, so enjoy.
Sir, I am leaving this class.
Hope you all know about the sanitizers.
thank you, Prachi. Such a nice, informative video, and you have discussed about the mechanism actually behind what is happening when we are using sanitizer and soap. And a general question comes in mind that whether we should use soap or sanitizer. It is already most of people know, but whenever we see this kind of video, this kind of animation, then again it click on our mind, so we can use it or we can put these things in our daily life. Thank you, Prachi. Okay, you are muted, I think. So okay. So next one is Shweta and Cheshta. So I think Shweta will present or introduce the video. So Shweta, you unmute yourself and on the camera.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shweta, and I am a student of BSc Physical Science with Chemistry. We all are present here to celebrate Rasayanika 2021. I am obliged that I have the opportunity to take part in various events. Me and my friend Cheshta has jointly taken part in the Chem cartoon animation video. We chose our topic other than prevention from COVID-19 because in this era of pandemic, everyone is talking about COVID only, whether in the news channels, advertisements, newspapers, and even our mobile phones. Half of its memory is full of COVID. So, through the video, we have tried to divert the minds from COVID to another topic, solar light harvesting to recharge our future cars, which is as important as COVID is our present and solar energy is our future, as sun is a renewable resource and easily available. Solar panel installation is one-time investment only, and after that, nominal maintenance is required. Let us know about the solar panel, which is better known as solar photovoltaic PV panels, which transforms sunlight into a usable electricity. Solar PV panels are comprised of many small photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaic means they can convert sunlight into electricity. These cells are made up of semiconductive materials like silicon. Nowadays, it is not difficult to install these solar panels as government is doing its best to help the local people under solar rooftop program. And to prefer electric mobility, government gives subsidy to purchase electric cars as well as there is a win-win policy. All these are better explained in the video. So I hope you all like the animation. Thank you, sir. Please.
Thank you to go with the topic that is the solar light harvesting. Actually, on Earth, the biggest source of energy, we all know that it is the sun. So if we would be able to grab more and more energy from the sun, that would be very good for our future. That would be good for our environment also, because in place of energy, energy source in place of solar light, if we are using something else like in house electricity or fossil fuels or something, whatever we are using as energy source, that are going to be finished in coming time. But solar energy, I think it is not going to be vanished. So it is clean, it is ready to use always, and it is environment friendly also, or we can say that we are working on it, and it further in future, it would be much cheaper also. So thank you to take this topic, and now I'm playing your video.
आदाब,
सत श्री अकाल,
नमस्ते, आदाब,
सत श्री अकाल।
मेरा नाम है श्वेता
और मेरा नाम है चेष्टा।
आज हम सोलर लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग के बारे में जानने वाले हैं,
जिससे हम अपनी फ्यूचर कार्स को रिचार्ज करने में यूज कर सकते हैं।
तो आइए देखते हैं सोलर पैनल की कहानी शर्मा जी और मिश्रा जी की जुबानी।
नमस्ते मिश्रा जी। नमस्ते शर्मा जी। ये आप अपनी छत पर क्या लगवा रहे हैं? सोलर पैनल। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की स्कीम है ना, सोलर रूफटॉप प्रोग्राम, उसी के तहत। इस स्कीम में क्या होगा? इसमें आपको अपने घरों की छतों पर सोलर पैनल लगवाने होंगे, जिसमें गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया आपकी मदद करेगी सब्सिडी देकर। पर ये लगवाने क्यों हैं? इससे आप सूरज की किरणों से बिजली बना सकते हैं, जिसका इस्तेमाल आप अपनी कार को रिचार्ज करने में कर सकते हैं। तो क्या इससे तुम्हारी गाड़ी रिचार्ज हो जाएगी? पता चला ऑफिस जाते समय तुम गाड़ी को धक्का मारते हुए नजर आओ। अरे क्या तुम्हें पता नहीं, 2 घंटे में जितनी किरणें धरती पर पड़ती है ना, उससे पूरे भारत का ही नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया का एनर्जी कंजप्शन फुलफिल हो सकता है। और यही नहीं, ये एक पॉल्यूशन फ्री सोर्स है और साथ ही साथ ये एक बेहतरीन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स भी है। इसका मतलब हम कितना भी कंज्यूम करें, ये कभी खत्म नहीं होगा। अच्छा, मतलब कितना भी? क्या ये कोई भी लगवा सकता है? हाँ, कोई भी लगवा सकता है। पर सोलर पैनल के लिए तो इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी लेनी पड़ेगी और वो तो बहुत महंगी आती है ना। अरे शर्मा जी, महंगा रोए एक बार, सस्ता रोए बार बार। आजकल पेट्रोल के दाम देख रहे हो, सेंचुरी पार हो गई है। अब तो एक समय ऐसा आएगा जब पेट्रोल छोटी छोटी शीशी में सुनार की दुकान में मिलेगा। हाँ मिश्रा जी, अब तो परेशान हो गए इस आसमान छूते पेट्रोल के दामों से। अरे चिंता मत करो शर्मा जी, गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी देती है इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी खरीदने के लिए, ताकि हमारी कंट्री में इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी को बढ़ावा दे सके। और यही नहीं, बल्कि गवर्नमेंट की एक विन विन पॉलिसी भी है। अंडर दिस गवर्नमेंट व्हीकल स्क्रैपिंग पॉलिसी 5% का रिबेट मिलता है नई कार लेने में। स्क्रैपिंग ऑफ ओल्ड व्हीकल से रॉ मटेरियल्स जैसे प्लास्टिक, एल्यूमिनियम, स्टील, रबर वापस रिसाइकल होके आ जाते हैं। अरे वाह, गवर्नमेंट ने तो हमारा काम आसान ही कर दिया। और शर्मा जी जानते हैं, पुणे में एक अपार्टमेंट है जिसमें उन्होंने अपनी टेरेस पर सोलर रूफ्स लगाए हैं, जिसका लाभ वो अपनी कार रिचार्ज में ही नहीं बल्कि बिजली के बिल की खपत में भी लगाते हैं। धन्यवाद मिश्रा जी, मैं आज ही इन स्कीम और पॉलिसी का लाभ उठाऊंगा और अपनी छत पर भी सोलर पैनल लगवाऊंगा। आप सब भी नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज जैसे पेट्रोल, डीजल, इन सबको रिप्लेस करके रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज का इस्तेमाल करें, जैसे सोलर एनर्जी, क्योंकि ये एक पॉल्यूशन फ्री सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sweta and Chester, to make this video. It's a really nice video. So, yes, moving ahead, we have our next video from Shanti. So, Shanti, you are here. Unmute yourself. And switch on the camera also. And introduce your video, what you have made, what is the topic of the video.
Good afternoon, sir, and all teachers. Sir, I hear him.
Yes, yes, good afternoon.
My name is Santakumar. Myself of BSc Physical Science with Chemistry. My video topic is green chemistry, and subtopic is benefits of proper waste management. That is how managing the waste material and minimize its environment. And what are the benefits of the proper waste management? That is, proper waste removal help improve air and water quality and reduce greenhouse gases emission. And by smartly managing your waste, you can also help conserve natural resources and including minerals, water and wood. So this is effect of reducing, reusing and recycling. That is, green lifestyle help save money, and by reducing help build by eating healthy and foods, breathing healthy air and drinking clean water. So if you want to healthy lifestyle, that is, most are the increasing pollution in the environment. So use recycle, reusing and recycling. Thank you, sir. Playing video.
Thank you, Shanti. So, just I'm sharing your video.
proper waste disposal.
managing of waste materials to minimize its consequences on human and environment. To it reduce, reuse and recycle.
Turn off lights or any electronic devices when you are not using them and save the electrical energy. Use your old bags to hold groceries so you could help reduce the use of plastic bags and reuse of plastic bottles.
Build a compost bin. You can use the waste as fertilizer for your garden and use of some dustbin like as blue for plastic and green for glass and red for metal and yellow for paper. Bottles, glass and boxes can recycle into new things then reuse again. Proper waste disposal can help prevent pollution.
Green environment, clean environment.
Thank you, Shanti. It was very short video, but it was like nice information. Actually, we generally we can say like we all know all the things like we should manage the waste and we should use all the like dustbin properly and all the things we already know. But whenever we see all this type of cartoons, it every time clicks in our mind. So at least we can implement something from today's event, or we can learn some points from today's event. So that's why the students have put a lot of effort to make the videos. So these are really nice. So next one is next one, just a minute. Next is Sonu. Sonu, you are here. Okay. Sonu,
कौन
you
सा?
are, Sonu.
सोनू
Yes. Sonu, you
हाँ है
unmute.
सर सोनू
Unmute and switch on the camera also. And introduce your video, what you have made.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Sonu. My course name is BSc Honors Chemistry. My topic is on coronavirus, how to prevent yourself and how to protect ourselves from this disease to spread less
You are not speaking.
Okay, okay, Sonu, no problem. Show your video, beta.
Okay.
Show your video, beta.
Okay.
Hello, Chimpu. Hello, Timpu. What do you know about coronavirus, Timpu? Timpu, coronavirus is harmful virus. Yes, but how it is harmful for us? It can spread very fast through humans. Can you tell me how corona works? Yes, it uses human to human for spreading. Chimpu, we should stop it, but how? We need to be careful. Careful about what, Chimpu? We need to wear mask. Yes, you are right, because mask can stop the enter of virus. Do you know what is the size of virus? Yes, it is about 300 nanometer in size. But I think mask is not the only option for precautions. Yes, it is not. We need to maintain social distancing. Yes, you are right, because coronavirus can spread through touch and mucus also. Chimpu, we need to wash hands after traveling. Yes, we should wash hands with the soap. But in traveling, we have to clean our hands. Yes, we can done this thing.
with the use of sanitizers. We can also do one thing. What, Tempu? To stay in home and safe. Yes, I agree with you.
Okay, Sonu, well track. Next time you can, I think you would be able to make much more big video and quality wise also. So it is very first time, so you are trying good. So next one is Ayushi. Actually, we have seen her video yesterday, but today she called me that she want to introduce her video. She want to introduce herself that she has this video. So I have given again a chance to present video and to introduce that what she want to say.
I just want to say one thing regarding Sonu. I have seen Sonu. Sonu has taken part, might be multi activities, so many activities. Means yesterday I have seen Sonu. Today Sonu has already taken part in this camp competition. Yes, Sonu.
Yes.
Sonu, am I correct? You are same Sonu.
Sonu, you unmute yourself and then ask the manager.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Nice effort. Okay, Ajay, start.
Okay. Ayushi, you unmute yourself and then introduce what you want to say.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aisha Jain, student from BSc Chemistry Honors first year. As we know, COVID-19 increases day by day and it is a pandemic disease. It is spread through respiratory droplets, which is from infected person when he speaks, cough, or sneeze. It is also spread through contaminated surfaces, and then our mouth, nose, and eyes. As to
Okay, Ayushi, just show the video. Okay.
Okay. Again, I'm showing this one.
Hello Rohit, long time to see you.
Hello, Samarth. How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am fine too. Did you hear about the COVID-19 cases which are increasing day by day?
Yes, I heard about this.
Okay, as you know, COVID-19 is a pandemic disease. But if we take precautions, we can prevent from this disease.
Precautions? Which type of precautions we need to take which help us in prevention from COVID-19?
I will tell you. This type of precaution help us in prevention from COVID-19. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Clean and disinfectant surfaces frequently, especially those which are regularly touched, such as doors, handles, phone screens, and many more. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer or wash them with soap and water. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Cover your mouth with cloth mask when you go outside.
Thank you for the precautions. As you talk about hand sanitizer, do you know what is hand sanitizer? What are their key ingredients or how they work?
Yes, I know what is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a liquid or gel generally used to kill the vast majority of viruses, bacteria or microorganisms on the hands. But I don't know what are their key ingredients or how it works.
Okay, I will tell you what are their key ingredients or how they work.
Sure, why not?
The key ingredient in most hand sanitizer are alcohol. Chemically speaking, alcohol are organic molecule made up of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Propanol and isopropanol, which is also called isopropyl alcohol, are two alcohols that are common in disinfectant because they are highly soluble in water.
Okay, but only why alcohol is used as key ingredient?
There are different type of bacteria and viruses, and some type of them are more easily killed by alcohol. For example, Escherichia coli bacteria, which can cause foodborne illness and other infections, are very effectively killed by alcohol at concentration more than 60%. Many research studies found whether we are trying to kill bacteria or virus, an alcohol concentration of 60 or greater than this is indeed to be effective. Even a small amount of alcohol mixed with water help in killing the bacteria and viruses. That is why it is used as a main ingredient in most of the hand sanitizer.
Why hand sanitizer do not use pure alcohol?
Because pure alcohol is less effective in killing than alcohol with 60 to 90% concentration, as water is required for protein denaturation, which is impossible in pure alcohol. That is why their killing speed is decreasing. Another reason is it dry our skin out very quickly, which cause to become irritated. That might cause you to not sanitize your hand as frequently as needed. And to avoid this situation, many hand sanitizer contain emollients, which are mixture that help soften and moisturize our skin.
Okay, now how hand sanitizer kill bacteria and viruses?
The compound N-propanol is the most commonly used alcohol in hand sanitizer because it is a biocide. It damages the related membrane of bacteria, uncoupling of mRNA and protein synthesis through effects on ribosome, which associated with protein denaturation, and it prevents the bacteria to increase their number by binary fission. For the viruses, the viral target of alcohol-based hand sanitizers are predominantly the viral envelope, if present, which is derived from host lipid envelope, the protein capsid, which contain and protect the genetic material. All the components which I mentioned before are necessary for the virus life cycle. If these components are destroyed or disturbed, then virus did not complete their life cycle. That means do not produce their copies in the host cell. But alcohol is not as effective against non-envelope viruses.
Okay, now I understand how it works. Thank you for this information.
Welcome. It's my pleasure to share this information with you.
Thank you, Aishi. You have informed, like you have given the information from starting, like how we can prevent ourselves and what is the little bit mechanism, or we can say chemistry behind the sanitizer and soap and all the things you have discussed nicely. So it is nice video, or we can say it's a like complete video. So we can watch again and again. So it is nice. So next one is Anshum. He has made a very small video. He said that, sir, it would be okay to show this video. But I said that this is the very first time. Many of the students are making very first video of their life, or with their recording very first time as an animated video. So I appreciate their effort that at least they try, or they have put like some content in it. So some are like quite quite comfortable to make the video, so they have made a big video, or they have put their all of the content. And some are trying to make a video, but this is the one that is the smallest one, but it is also okay. So next one is I forgot the name. Anshum. Anshum, you just unmute yourself and introduce what is the topic of the video. Anshum, you are here. Okay.
Hello. So am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes, yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anshum. I'm pursuing BSc Physical Sciences with Chemistry. And I have made a video on the topic of COVID-19 prevention. It is an extremely small video, to be honest, but the video is quite different from all others.
Okay,
I will request sir to play.
okay, Anshu. I'm just playing it. Okay, Anshu, well tried. Further, we will see how much good work from us. So next one is Yogita Verma. Yogita, you just unmute yourself and yes.
I think Yogita is also coming second time.
Yes.
Am I
yes,
right, Yogita? Yeah. Yesterday she has taken effort opening her video and spoken so well.
Yes. Only ma'am, she yesterday called me that said, shall I take part in the video also? I am interested. I said, okay, you can take part. It's your function. You can take part. It's your event.
Very nice.
So
Very nice.
Within
Great
a
effort.
very short time, she has prepared this video.
Okay.
Yogita,
Go ahead, beta.
Okay, good afternoon all. Myself Yogita and my topic is solar light harvesting to recharge car of tomorrow. You all must have heard about solar light harvesting, but many of us may not know its benefits. That's why I have tried to explain its benefits to you all through a cartoonistic video. I hope you all watch this video carefully and will be able to bring it in your daily life. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Yogita, I'm just playing it.
Yogita?
Yogita, just unmute yourself. Ma'am is saying something.
Yogita, you are looking very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Start video.
नमस्ते शर्मा अंकल। नमस्ते बेटा, तुम यहाँ कैसे? मैं बस घर जा रहा था तो आपको देखा, फिर सोचा कि आपके साथ चाय पी लूं। मतलब आज तो चाय तुम्हारी तरफ से? क्या अंकल आप भी कैसा मजाक करते हो? मैंने सोचा कि आप चाय पिलाओगे। चलो ठीक है, आज चाय मेरी तरफ से। अरे वाह अंकल, आज तो मेरा ड्राइव पर जाने का मन था, पर मेरी कार की बैटरी डिस्चार्ज हो गई। बैटरी डिस्चार्ज कैसे हुई अंकल? बहुत दिनों से कार चलाई नहीं थी, इसलिए डिस्चार्ज हो गई। तो आपने ठीक क्यों नहीं करवाई? बेटा, आजकल महंगाई बहुत बढ़ रही है, पेट्रोल डीजल की रेट भी बढ़ गई है। अंकल, मेरे पास एक आइडिया है। आज हमारे सर ने हमें सोलर लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग के बारे में पढ़ाया था। इसके बारे में तो मैंने भी सुना है, लेकिन कार की बैटरी का इससे क्या लेना देना? अंकल, हम सनलाइट के यूज से कार की डिस्चार्ज बैटरी को 4 से 5 घंटे में चार्ज कर सकते हैं। इससे हम पैसे भी सेव कर सकते हैं। वाह बेटे, ये तो बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है। इसी बात पर इस संडे को मैं तुम्हें ड्राइव पर ले जाऊंगा। थैंक यू अंकल।
Thank you, Yogita. You have it's such a nice video. No matter whether it is in Hindi or English, we want to give some message to society, or we want to give some message to audience. So there is no matter of Hindi or English. So it is very nice. You have made a within very short time of period, and you came to me directly. Like I asked the student that whether you want to participate or not. Then like initially many names were with me. Yesterday evening only I came to know that only 10 plus students are participating. Earlier I have 30 plus students name. But you came yesterday only, or and you made the video. It's nice effort and a very nice video also. So, ma'am, this was the last video.
Okay.
And,
So
yes.
I just want to tell you one more story, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Short story. This is a real story. Like you said about Yogita. Yogita has taken initiative. She thought about this, and thought has created. Thought has much power as compared to what maybe am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, but your screen is freeze now.
It's breaking. Voice is breaking.
Voice is okay, but your screen is freeze. Like your photo is.
Okay. It's hardly matter. So just I'm telling you one story. It's a story नहीं ये मेरे संग अभी just 12th मार्च को मैं उज्बेकिस्तान में थी.
Network कुछ issue हो गया है मुझे. Just wait that ma'am will join with him. Ma'am, your voice is not right now. Ma'am, you are not audible right now. I just need to check. Hello. Okay. So yes, ma'am is joining that. There is some network glitch. So she will get join us with that. So yes, students have made such a nice video. They have put lot of effort. As I earlier discussed that many of the students have recorded very first video. There are some students because of their some work or some like engagement, they were not able to come today. So maybe tomorrow we will have some more videos. There are, or maybe I think I am guessing only that they are making such from their side. They are trying to make such a nice video. So they called me that, sir, we will be available, but because this time is short, after this video is taking much more time to make it. So I said we will allow you. Our program is, our event is for 5 days. So you can take part in any day, no problem for that. So maybe you will see some nice videos also for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, depending on their work that when they are completed the video. So yes, ma'am is joined again. We'll listen this.
Okay. This I'm telling you a story because as far as language is concerned, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, it's a hardly matter. I was just telling you a story about Uzbekistan where I was into on 12th of March, and what happened? People used to speak Russian over there and Uzbeki. They don't understand English, and we only understand English, Hindi, and Sanskrit. The problem was there. So either sometime what happened if internet connection is there, something is there, then we have to type it like this. But there it can't be, it could not be possible for me. So at night we were in bullet train because Uzbekistan, as far as railways is concerned, so Uzbekistan has a very nice, not this time because 92 Uzbekistan is separated from Russia, but it's a developed nation. So there is a bullet train. We were कहते हैं कि घोड़े का ही पुलाव और इसका पुलाव, मतलब मीट मांस बहुत होता है, और हम सिर्फ एग खाते हैं. At night one person came over there and asked what you want to, मतलब इंग्लिश में नहीं बोला, बस बोला कि ये बोला. Then we don't know anything. So one Russian lady was sitting besides our chamber. Then he asked, if you know English, just talk to her and just let me know. उसने उससे जो भी बात की वो क्या समझा, we don't know. And he came to my chamber because this is a chamber like things, right? He asked me, okay, I'll bring BC for you. So we thought that teapot and everything is there, so might be he is going to bring biscuits for us. So he went over there, and what he brought, after half an hour, he came with good dinner plate. And it's a wonderful way. So I thought, this is a BC. We thought he will bring 3 packets of biscuits. But what is in that plate? That is a pulao, vegetarian pulao, egg, and pasta, and so many things was there. We were hungry. We are thinking this is surprising. We don't know the language, but sometimes language is not the bar. What you want to communicate, if it's communicated nicely, then it's okay. That's why I'm saying you just speak. Few sentences you speak, but speak by heart. If you are reading something now, then you will do like this. So it seems to be very bad. It doesn't come from your heart. कि आपके दिल से आ रहा है, आप हंस रहे हो, बोल रहे हो, और जो सामने बोल रहा है उसे भी समझ में आ रहा है, आप स्क्रीन पढ़ रहे हो. तो नीड whatever you are speaking, कोई भी नहीं सुनेगा, कोई भी नहीं समझेगा, कोई भी नहीं हंसेगा, उसको भी लग रहा है ये भी पढ़ रहा है, मैं भी पढ़ दूंगा. तो बोलो, लेकिन मन से जो देख रहे हो बोलो, जो सुन रहे हो वो बोलो, जो तुम्हें महसूस हो रहा है अच्छा बुरा वो बोलो, लेकिन बोलो मन से, काम करो मन से, जो भी करो. So today was a very wonderful videos. Sonu, Ayushi Jain, Anshu and Harsh, Mohan, Meenal, Anupama, Yogita Verma. Oh, wonderful video. Whatever time they have taken and whatever video, I know that it's very difficult, because just like this, when you are developing app, so we have certain computer language. It takes a lot of many words, and I don't know much about this, but I know that if you want to write 4 or 5 means a statement and something, then you have to know the computer language a lot, means 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Same things with app also. It's very difficult. So I must appreciate their effort. Wonderful presentation, whatever they have given. And Ajay, you have managed so well. So my thank you very much for this wonderful session. And I just must thank you to all my organizer, Ajay, Deepmala, Nirja, Ompal, Reshu. Reshu is time to time watching which student is creating nonsense, and she used to message me, ma'am, should we block this Zoom meeting? Now we have blocked Zoom meeting. Nobody can enter, neither can enter. They can go, but not enter. This Rishu is watching everything. If anything goes wrong, then Rishu will definitely tell to me, ma'am, block this meeting. And we are now can conduct my meeting, because I have seen few people are doing nonsense. So this is their habit. Don't bother about that. So thank you so much. Vinodji also here. I have seen, might be he has gone, but I have seen our faculty, our senior faculty member was also there. So thank you so much for him also. Thank you so much. Rinki is also, I have seen Rinki is also there. And Nirja bhi there. I have seen. Please on your video. सब वीडियो अपने खोल लीजिए. गौरव, आप एक थोड़ा सा वीडियो वो भी ले लो, एक फोटो. गौरव, are you there? गौरव.
Yes ma'am.
सो गए थे जल्दी. गौरव
मैम एक्चुअली फोन आ गया था.
हाँ, thank you so much. Remember one thing, Gaurav is behind us. Gaurav is host. We are guest. So whatever you are here seeing, as far as computer, as far as technicalities are concerned, everything is operated by Gaurav. So thanks to Gaurav also. And if anybody has a problem, just talk to Gaurav. Okay. So Gaurav is the person who is behind all these management. Gaurav, kindly take the photo. और अपना भी वीडियो, अपना भी ऑन करो वीडियो.
Okay, ma'am.
A very big thank from my side, because yesterday I spent 5 hours around to the workable proper in the Zoom, but it was not working. So yes, today only he just tell me one point, and it is working so nicely. So thank you so much, Gaurav sir. You made it very possible, and you are the only that's because we are here and we are able to do it. So thank you so much
That's
to you.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
why I have told Ajay that our IT team is very expert, very expert.
Seriously,
Suman,
ma'am,
Gaurav,
I searched everywhere in YouTube and Google and all the things that how to fix it.
nobody can help you.
I
These
did so.
are experts.
I did so many things, but I spent my 5-6 hours, but it was not working. But he told me one point only, and now it is so nicely working. Thank you, Gaurav sir.
Our college is managing all the online classes, just the effort of Suman and Gaurav. Both are taking tremendous pressure and working 24/7, even I can say. Till night we are dropping the message, Gaurav, this is happening. At night, whenever Gaurav wakes, and then drop the message, madam, solve your problem. Just check it. Thank you, Gaurav. Just take the photo. Meenal, Anupam, Sunesh, every
Thank you,
स्टूडेंट आप अपने वीडियो को खोल लो सारे के सारे। और गौरव, ये सारे बच्चे जो एक स्क्रीनशॉट में आ जाएंगे क्या, छोटा करके सारा?
मैम एक्चुअली व्यू ग्रिड हो जाएगा, आ जाएंगे मैम,
चलो
सारे
कोई
आ
नहीं,
जाएंगे।
मैं उसको अलग अलग करके कर लो, ग्रिड को फिर दूसरा ग्रिड करके उनकी भी ले लो, है
गैलरी व्यू में आ जाएंगे मैम।
हाँ, ओके। सारे अपने वीडियो खोल लो बच्चों।
वीडियोस ओपन करवा दीजिए मैम, अभी काफी नहीं है मैम। सुनेश कुमार झा, आईफोन,
बेटा जो अगर कर सकते हो, इस पोजीशन में हो तो वीडियो ओपन कर लो। आपके लिए भी अच्छा है कि आप इसमें थे, अटेंड किया। आप अपने वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिखाना, मैंने बोला इस मीटिंग के पार्ट थे मैं। ओपन कर लो बच्चों। चलो गौरव ले लो आप, हैं?
जी मैम जी।
सबकी ले लेना जितने भी हैं।
जी मैम। Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am, you're welcome.
Okay, now you can leave the meeting. Yes, Ajay.
Again, I want to say 2 words, ma'am, for you. Actually, it was not at all possible, like your encouragement, like every time, whenever I am facing any problem, anything, or your presence is so encouraging, ma'am. So that's why I asked very first day that you would be there. Then we can do anything, or we can face any kind of problem. So ma'am, thank you so much. Be here for all the time, and very
thank you so much. You are free to ask anytime. You can call me. I am there to solve all your problems. Whether I am holding this post or not, but I am 24/7 ready for you and the student and for college. This is my responsibility. And now I just wanted to ask Reshu, where are you, Reshu and Ompal? Tomorrow is your session. Reshu, आप बता दो tomorrow बच्चों के लिए थोड़ा सा क्या है और क्या join.
Tomorrow there will be a science exhibition at the same time. Students will be performing experiment and will be sending videos to me, and I'll show those videos and they'll explain the chemistry behind it. So we'll be meeting at the same time tomorrow. Okay, ma'am.
मैम क्लोज करें मैम सेशन?
हाँ, ओमपाल आपको कुछ कहना है? 1 मिनट।
ओके।
ओमपाल आपको कुछ कहना है? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ जी, गुड आफ्टरनून।
हाँ, बोलिए।
मेरा जो है ना वीडियो म्यूट किया हुआ था मैम, अभी उन्होंने ऑन किया है।
कोई बात नहीं, बोलिए।
कल हमारी जो है साइंस एग्जीबिशन होगी, उसमें जो है बच्चे आएंगे और प्रेजेंट करेंगे अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट साइंस के रिगार्डिंग एट द सेम टाइम। तो हम कल सेम टाइम मिलते हैं मैम, इसी टाइम।
ओके। थैंक यू नाउ, थैंक यू सो मच है एवरीबॉडी है। थैंक यू।
गौरव सर।
यस सर, सेशन क्लोज करें सर?
हाँ जी सर।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
गौरव जी।
जी मैम।
गौरव जी, आपका नंबर नहीं लग रहा है, वो कुछ गलत बता रहा है, तो मुझे आपका नंबर चाहिए था कल के लिए।
अच्छा रेशु मैम, मैं आपको अपना दूसरा नंबर अभी ना व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ।
ठीक है
जी 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 मैम, वो एक्चुअली रिचार्ज खत्म हो गया था।
ठीक है, आप
ठीक है,
कर दीजिए।
ओके ओके मैम।